So for the first step, we're going to want to go to Zapier, and we're actually going to create two bots. So we're going to create one bot inside of Zapier, which sends a message on a timer, and then the other one in FlowXO to handle the conversation. So let's start by going over to Make a Zap. We're going to want to name this Zap whatever you want, but I'm going to call this MakeAPad Stand Up Bot Slack. Okay, so our first event is going to be scheduled by Zapier, and our trigger event is going to run every day. Press continue. We don't want to run it on a weekend, or maybe you do if you work weekends. Choose a time of day. We're going to go for 9 AM relative to your time zone, and then press continue. If you want, you can press test and continue. It's not going to really do anything at this point, but there we go. And now we are going to want to connect Slack. Find Slack. And we're going to want to send a channel message. So select that option and press continue. Click sign into Slack. Obviously select the right Slack account. Okay. Press continue. Now once you get to this step, we're going to want to choose the channel in which we want this first message. So this message is going to contain the information that we're going to want to gather. So it's going to be the first message that people see from the bot in the morning, which is going to contain the stand-up info. We're going to put this into the Slackbot tutorial channel that I created. What we're going to do is have this first message as like a check-in, and this we'll use as the trigger for our next bot, which we'll show you in the next part. So all this is going to say is, morning everyone, stand up time, who's here and working today, reply with me or here to in a DM to make typing's off, MakeAPad bot. Okay, so what this will do, this will send a message into the channel at 9 AM in the morning with this this request here, just to find out who's working, because you might have members of the team that are not working, so we're not going to want to ping them standard messages, say if they're on holiday, for instance. So now we've got that, we're going to send as a bot. Yes, the bot's name is going to be MakeAPad bot. The bot icon, so you can set it to whatever you want. Include a link to the Zap, no, and that's pretty much it. So once you've done that, press continue. We're going to test and continue this and see if we get a message into Slack. I've got Slack down here. This is what we see. Morning everyone, stand up time, who's here and working today, reply with me or here in a DM to @MakeAPad bot. Perfect, cool. So now this part is done. We're going to press done editing, and we're going to turn this Zap on. Cool, so if you've done that successfully and you got the right message through to your Slack channel, we're done. And now we're going to move on to the next step, which is where we're going to connect FlowXO and set that up so it integrates correctly into Slack.